When it comes to choosing between CoConstruct and Buildertrend, it's crucial to know which software offers the best tools for construction management. Both platforms offer robust features, but the right one depends on what you need for your business. Stick around because I'll break down the pros and cons of both so you can make the right decision. First off, CoConstruct is known for its user-friendly interface, making it easy to track every aspect of your projects. It focuses heavily on customization, especially for home builders. The software allows you to tailor the system to your needs, whether it's for estimating, project management, or client communication. But there's a catch. This flexibility comes at a price, and some users may find it a bit complex if they're just starting out. Next, Buildertrend is similar, but offers a slightly different experience. It's a more general tool that can be used by any contractor, not just home builders. It's designed to streamline the communication between teams and clients with a built-in messaging system and document sharing. Buildertrend shines with its mobile app, which lets teams stay updated from anywhere, making it a great option for larger projects or teams that are on the move. The third thing to consider is cost. CoConstruct tends to be on the higher end of the pricing scale. While it's great for customization, that might not justify the cost for smaller businesses or startups. Buildertrend, on the other hand, has a more flexible pricing structure, making it easier for businesses of different sizes to use it effectively. However, Buildertrend can also get pricey, depending on the number of users and features you want. Another point worth mentioning is customer support. CoConstruct tends to get higher marks in this area, offering personalized support to help you navigate the platform. Buildertrend also offers solid customer service, but is sometimes reported to be less responsive during high demand periods. Now, when it comes to integration, Buildertrend pulls ahead. It connects with a broader range of other software, including accounting systems like QuickBooks, and it has features that let you sync with other industry-specific tools. CoConstruct's integrations, while solid, are more limited, which can be a deal breaker for businesses relying on multiple systems. The fifth thing is reporting and analytics. Both platforms offer reporting tools, but CoConstruct's reports are more detailed and customizable. If you need very specific data to manage your business, CoConstruct might be the better fit. Buildertrend offers a more general approach, which works for most businesses, but it's less granular in comparison. In summary, if you're a home builder looking for flexibility and customization, CoConstruct could be your go-to. If you need a more general tool with excellent mobile support and integrations, then Buildertrend might suit you better. Before you decide, make sure to check out the exclusive free trial linked below. You'll get access to both CoConstruct and Buildertrend with additional bonuses, so you can really see which one fits your needs. Both of these platforms have their strengths, but the right choice for you depends on the scale and type of your business. Don't forget, the link in the description gives you an exclusive extended free trial, so you can explore both tools and decide for yourself without any pressure. Thanks for watching, and good luck choosing the best construction management tool for your business.